My name is Terry.
And my name is Mungi.
The short program you're about to see marks the beginning of major social communication initiative that is underway in East Africa. We are going to meet the Meli family, created as a result of the combined efforts of United Nations agencies based in Nairobi, working together with media and production professionals from the region. The Melis are the key characters in a planned television and radio soap opera, which will be the basis of a powerful communication campaign in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. It combines entertaining and educational mass media approaches in a format that will have a persuasive effect on public opinion and subsequently galvanize positive behavior change.
In a bold departure from the UN's traditional reliance on documentary-based awareness projects, this long-term campaign will allow UN agencies in the region to promote their individual and collective messages continuously and repeatedly to a mass multinational audience in relevant, entertaining, and ultimately effective ways. The strategy includes the use of a broad and complementary range of support media. This will reinforce the television and radio messages whilst maximizing the campaign's reach. The soap opera will provide the creative foundation for synergistic executions for theatrical roadshows, spot advertising, merchandise, billboards, print ads, and interactive multimedia. So let's meet the Melis, perhaps set to become the most famous family in East Africa.